Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and I'm here to do practice for my spoken English. As I always tell you, I do lots of practices, and yes, it is my favorite one because I can express myself with a very charming mood, and it's a really best thing to practice. Okay, so I always talk about confidence, courage, fear, negativity, but today I am going to tell you something very unique thing, that is resilience. Yes, and how resilience helps me to grow and to, I mean, yes, there is a lots of points at which I'm feeling low and I was like, I'm doing good or not, should I stop, or I mean, there's a lots of things came in my mind. So after coming these things, how can I maintain my like these thoughts, and how can I maintain my peace? Okay, so yes, and let me, first I'm going to tell you what is resilience, and after that I will explain how it helps me. And yes, and I'm trying to explain you in a very fine way, so please bear with me. Okay, so resilience is like, see, whenever we are trying to learn anything, whenever we are trying to perform anything, that is something great and that is something new and hard also. Okay, with that thing, whenever we are trying to good, whenever trying to perform anything with in that span of time, so there is a point, there's a lot so point at which we are feeling low, and with that feeling, with this, that we are trying to grow with that feeling. Yes, yeah, and, we are trying to come back. Yes, like, okay, give me an example of me, then you can understand very better way. So see, when I started my this journey of spoken English, as I told you, first I took 90-day challenge on this platform, and it was literally hard for me. And why I'm taking my example of this thing, because I'm literally saying, when I started this thing, it was literally, hard not to crack for me, because as I told you, being a Haryanvi, it was very difficult. I always, whether in school, college, I always spoke Haryanvi, and even my friend circle also, and I didn't have any environment to whom I can speak. So there's a lots of challenges I faced when I started my this 90-day challenge. Even as I tried, I told you lots of time that when I started my this journey, I tried lots of time to start this thing, but I was not able to start because of these negative things I had in my mind. So like, that's why I'm saying, like, I am doing these things, it was literally great for me. Yes, I'm still making mistakes, I know that, but with these mistakes I can perform, I'm here. So it was literally great for me. And I, like, as I told you before, before days ago, like, I got some tones also, like, why are doing this thing and it's not as much good, and you are not getting growth also. So these are the things I got. But after the, instead of these things, I just maintain my practice, and I'm doing, and all the day I come and start, practicing. So this is the thing I really, literally like this thing. I mean, even my family started saying that, why are you doing this thing? And yes, but I really enjoy this thing, I'm literally saying. And yes, I am trying to I'm trying to do something new also, but it takes time because I have eyesight issue also. Okay, but this is the another thing. But what I'm going to say, when I started my this challenge, it was literally hard for me. And after starting, when I faced lots of difficulties, I was not able to, you know there's a lots of time, things came in my mind to stop this 90-day challenge, because it was like that it was not for me, and there's a lots of people who are doing better than me, and I was like, zero. I was feeling inferior. But with that feeling, I stand it and performing my practice sessions, and doing better and trying to do better. So this is resilience. Even after feeling failure, you are trying to come back. This is resilience. And still I'm facing these things, but like, गिर के उठना. So I'm trying to be make sure always that it's okay, and I'm not here to satisfy others, I'm here to satisfy me. This is the thing I should do. And yes, if I know that, like, I'm here to do myself, and if I am with you, then I can do anything. And if I start thinking about other people, like what other people think, then it is not working at any time. So that's why I'm saying, like, you have to be make yourself resilient, otherwise things will not be with you. I mean, there is a, I mean, a person cannot be constant. Like, if you start something and you can grow, like your graph will be always high. No, there are this there maybe there are some points at which you're feeling low, yes, but you have to be ready for that place. Whenever you feel low, then you have to know that, okay, calm down. If you are not to perform the same as you do, but you can perform bit slow, bit lower than, but you have to be perform. Okay, so this is the thing I really wanted to say, and it's a really really good thing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for bearing with me. Stay tuned with me. Thank you. Jai Hind.